Hello fans, I'm the PC Expert Amateur and we're going to take a look at the SilverStone Airblazer 120R. And this is ARGB fan. It's got corner cushions and PWM as well as ARGB. We'll start out by looking at the lighting. Oh, that looks pretty nice, right? All right, now I'm going to turn on the fan so that you can see it in action. So what do you think about that? Does that look good? Do you like the color depth? The range? All right, well, now we're going to listen. Of course, we don't need the lights on to do that. I'm just laughing because I'm remembering something with my mom and computer usage where she wanted the lights on so she could see the screen better. She's an older generation, baby boomers. Or maybe the generation before? Silent generation? I'm not really sure. All right, let's see. All right, that should be about the minimum. There's a bit of noise, but I don't hear the bearings or anything like that. That's good. Whoops. There's a harmonic resonance. There it is again. And another one. There's another one there, but it's faint. And they're also faint. Oh, there it is. Okay. Well, as far as static pressure is concerned, I'm going to give it about a 2.5. Yeah, about a 2.5. Pretty good. So you can use this on water coolers, air coolers, the case. Personally, I prefer a water cooler fan to have at least static pressure of 3. Now, according to the specifications, this is rated up to 3.5. So, yeah, you know, I'm just using my hand. It's not as precise as using a manometer. We'll get to that, don't worry. It's probably going to be a few months with my shoulder replacement coming up in a couple of weeks. Well, yeah, 11 days. No, I'm not nervous. Much. So yeah, if you could please help me out by liking, subscribing, sharing, commenting, even a short one, turning on notifications. If you would like to help support me financially for this channel or whatever, you can go to my channel, Glenn's Fast Reviews, and join there. And or you can go to patreon.com/GlennMII and become a member there. Now, let's go ahead and take a look at the specs. All right, so the SilverStone Airblazer 120R or SST-AB120R-ARGB was sent to me by SilverStone. Thank you, SilverStone and Tony. And this is a $20 fan approximately, compliant with CE and ROHS, made in China, 120 by 25 millimeters, 40,000 hours of life. And yeah, why am I always having this problem with my commas disappearing? Anyways, in the US and Australia, 1 year warranty. In the EU, 2 years. ARGB, it's compatible with ASUS, ASRock, Asus, Gigabyte, MSI, and Razer. At the least, could be more. 140 grams, 9 blades, 105 millimeters between the mounting holes, 600 to 2200 RPMs, plus or minus 10%, 25.62 CFMs of air, up to 93.97 CFMs of airflow, 0.26 to 3.53 millimeters of static pressure, 7.4 to 35.6 decibels, 32 centimeter long fan cable, not daisy chainable or sleeved, 83 centimeter long LED cable, daisy chainable but not sleeved, PWM and standard ARGB connectors, hydraulic bearings, 12 volts, 3.84 watts, 0.32 amps, 5 volts for the LEDs, and no indicators of direction of rotation and flow, turns in a clockwise direction, comes with 4 fan bolts and 4 rad bolts, as well as the corner cushions. I'm sorry to do this, but I need to ask for your help. Because Amazon and Sedgwick won't take responsibility for the injury I sustained at work, that is going to cause me to have my shoulder replaced on November 29th of 2024. I'm going to be off of work for 3 to 4 months, and the pay that I'll be getting from Amazon during that time, because Sedgwick will not pay me anything, will be after taxes and benefits, probably somewhere in the area of $10, maybe $12, something like that, per hour of a 40-hour week. And so that's going to be very financially troublesome for me, to put it mildly. I mean, just my rent alone is like $1,150, and then there are all the other expenses. I do have some help, but I do appreciate it if anybody is willing to help. You can join my channel, Glenn's Fast Reviews, or you can go to patreon.com/GlennMII and become a member there. If you can't safely do that, please don't, though. I don't want anybody financially getting into trouble trying to help me. That would just that would make me feel really, really bad, as if somehow I was responsible for the choice you made, even though it was your choice. So if you can't, that's okay. It's okay. Thank you so much for your support. I really appreciate it. Hope you have a great day.